Hello everyone, students. You are studying vector space. Today is a question depends on vector space. In vector space, R cube express the vector 1 - 2 5 as a linear combination of the vectors 1 1 1 1 2 3 2 - 1 1. Solution. Alpha vector alpha equals to 1 - 2 5 vectors alpha 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 and alpha 2 equals to 1 2 3 and alpha 3 equals to 2 - 1 1. Alpha can be expressed as linear combination of vectors alpha equals to a1 alpha 1 a2 alpha 2 plus a3 alpha 3 1 - 2 5 a1 1 1 1 1 2 3 a3 2 - 1 1 1 - 2 5 a1 plus a2 plus 2 a3 a1 plus 2 a2 minus a3 a1 3 a2 plus a3 a1 plus a2 plus 2 a3 equals to 1 a1 plus 2 a2 minus a3 equals to -2 a1 plus 3 a2 plus a3 equals to 5 a equals to 1 1 2 1 2 - 1 1 3 1 b equals to 1 - 2 5 augmented matrix AB 1 1 1 1 2 3 2 - 1 1 1 - 2 5 operating R2 minus R1 R3 minus R1 1 1 2 1 0 1 -3 -3 0 2 -1 4 and operating R3 minus 2 R2 1 1 2 1 0 1 -3 -3 0 0 5 10 rank of a rank A equals to rank AB equals to 3. Alpha consistent. Alpha can be expressed as linear combination of vectors alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. 1 1 1 2 0 1 minus 3 0 0 5 number unknowns A1 A2 A3 1 minus 3 10 A1 plus A2 plus 2A3 equals to 1 A2 minus 3A3 equals to minus 3 5A3 equals to 10 A3 equals to 2 A2 minus 3 A2 equals to 3 1 A1 plus 3 2 into A3 2 1 A1 plus 7 equals to 1 minus 6 equation 1 alpha equals to A1 A2 A3 is linear combination of that's the linear combination of the vectors alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 of alpha, that's all.